Hey gang, it's your girl Queen Glitterati, and I am here with this glow-in-the-dark slime kit. I have been asked to make this, so here I am. I'm making it. As you can see, we're getting started, and it comes in this box with 2 slimes, 2 glues, and yeah, instructions on the back. So I guess that's all we need to get started. So let's go. So yes, I got my bowl, I got my spoon, and I'm ready to go. Let's start with this blue. So to get started, they told me to just simply pour this glue inside of the bowl. Yes, all of it, all that I can get out. And then let's start adding this magical liquid that they give us. And they told me to start with 2 teaspoons and then mix from there. And then let's see where you're at. So that's exactly what I did. So I wasn't quite there yet, and so I did add the 3rd one in as they told me I was going to need to, and I started mixing it again, and still wasn't there. So I was like, what should I do? I know, let's go in with some more. So this is my 4th teaspoon that I added in here and tested it out, started eating it, and I mean, it was feeling good, it was looking good, but still quite not there. Went in with another one. This is the 5th one, guys. And so, yeah, we're working it in, and finally, it is happening. I'm getting a very slime-like texture. No, not glue. And it started feeling good and wonderful to the touch. And so yeah, I just continued to knead it until it was just right. Okay, so as you can see, guys, it came out beautiful. I mean, it's a pretty blue color, and at this point, all I can do is move on to the next one. Let's go. Okay, so since we did the first one, I'm sure, we can just go right through and do the next one. So I just went ahead and just added, like, I don't know, what was it, 4 teaspoons just to get started and to quickly just get through this, since I'm like, I got this, I know what I'm doing, let's just go. And yeah, I don't know, like, it was kind of a different type of mix. I think it kind of is better to start slow and then, like as I did, put the teaspoons in 2 times at a time and then 1 time. I just think that works out better. But yeah, this one came out nice as well. And so at this point, it's time to see if it glows and see if magic is going to happen. And yes, it does. OMG, when I say this glowed wonderfully. Oh, I was just like, wait, what? No, yes, it did that. So yeah, as you can see, it lit up. Oh my gosh, can you say lit? Yes, you can definitely say lit for this, because that is exactly what it was. I mean, this was like so amazing. I couldn't believe how bright it was. I wanted to show you guys like how much the green one shined brighter than the blue one actually. So yeah, I kept them side by side initially, just to show you guys, like, wow, like, can you see that? Can you see like that brightness? That green is just like, it really looked like some radioactive type of science experiment going crazy. Yeah, all that good stuff. All right, go ahead, enjoy me playing with this beautiful, wonderful, glow-in-the-dark slime. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me while I made this beautiful slime. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. Make sure you guys share, comment, subscribe, and continue to think positive, spread kindness, and share lots and lots of love. I love you guys. Until next time, bye. 'Cause you know that good I'm your